Because we use our dog and cat's names sa Lippy. So we were thinking, what if iba-ibang dialect? Because may mga hindi lang Tagalog, but there's Bisaya din sa amin, and then Bicolano, and 5 lang kasi. So we're like, maybe we can incorporate that. And then parang it would be nice din na it's like endearment yung sa mga products. So that's why.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oh, sino kaya yan? Okay, it is Bini Aya that they were acting out. Okay. So, hi!
Okay.
What's your favorite product and why?
I use the shade Coals muna as the base, and then pinatungan ko siya ng Yves. Makulit.
So that maging physically fit pa rin ako. Kasi
I love that.
hindi na kami everyday nakakapag-training. And I feel like volleyball, kahit nakakapagod, as long as it's something you love to do, you'd make time for it. You'd make time for it.
Right here si Mika. Thank you so much for sharing. Ang cute talaga ng...
With the blooms.
Bakit? Nakakatawa naman ito.
Me too. But, ano na lang, yung nag-swatch na lang.
Ano nag-swatch na lang?
Wala ka sino to? Joanna.
Oh my God. Natawa naman naman nun. Padaba. Anong padaba?
Ay, Bicol.
Padaba taka? Yun ba yun? Padaba taka? Love kita, ayun. Ang cute din nito. And of course, Cloud Blush. In the shade, wow. Ayun. Ayun, para to sa mga hindi parang, how could I achieve that?
Ano lang po, kuha po kayo ng off-shoulder top. Colors have to be white, cream, and then don't talk. Ngiti ka lang. No teeth.
Paano yan? Kung hindi ako mag-talk, ay... Ay, tinan mo naman, naka-close up ba kay Mika? Ang ganda
Tara po,
ni Mika.
tara na po.
Love it. Okay, ayan na.
tanong?
Yeah, Candy. She's the sweetest. And Taku too is the sweetest. And kaya Ate Jo din po bagay. Candy Pop Kit. Colorful kasi vibe niya. Siya yung pinaka-colorful.
So, sino sa inyo yung medyo monochrome, gano'n?
Si Mix.
Oh, wow.
Ate Colette Bebe. And Ate Jo din po.
Parang lahat na napunta doon.
Ganun po kalalay visuals niya.
Ay, oo nga.
Bagay sa kanila.
Okay, ayan. So, girls, alam nyo ba, pagpatak ng 8.
Yeah, Candy. She's the sweetest. And Taku too is the sweetest. And kaya Ate Jo din po bagay. Candy Pop Kit. Colorful kasi vibe niya. Siya yung pinaka-colorful.
So, sino sa inyo yung medyo monochrome, gano'n?
Si Mix.
Oh, wow.
Ate Colette Bebe. And Ate Jo din.
Parang lahat na napunta doon.
Ganun po kalalay visuals niya.
Ay, oo nga.
Bagay sa kanila.
Okay, ayan. So, girls, alam nyo ba, pagpatak ng 8.
Hampas.
Yung tawa na nangahampas. Blue. Parang may alam na akong bagong title sa lip niyo. What?
Yeah.
Okay. What can you say to your blooms? Naku, nakakatuwa naman. Wala pang 5 minutes at sold out na tayo for tonight.
Yes, thank you so much, Blooms. Actually, kanina nung may nagmi-make-upan dyan, nagbabasa ako kanina sa ibang app. And sabi nga nila, unahan talaga siya. So, feeling ko, hintay nilang mag-8:20 at talagang puksaan siya. So, congratulations sa lahat ng naka-add to cart, nakabilin. Sa mga hindi.
Congrats. Sino yan? Hinamon. Oh, sino kaya yan? Okay, it is Bini Aya that they were acting out. Okay. So, speaking of Joanna, wala po si Jo today. Hello po sa mga Joanna stans. Nagpapagaling lang po si Jo, pero she will be okay. Extra look, okay, which is the soft glam. And of course, gusto ko pa rin ayain indeed ang aking fellow blooms na nanonood dyan na go ahead and click
the hearts and make comments and share this live stream dahil mamaya meron pa rin tayong pa-bundle or... So kindly describe the feeling of the product on your lips.
Yeah, I feel good.
I feel good. Me too. I feel good.
The shade Calls muna as the base, and then pinatungan ko siya ng Yves. Yee, makulit. And then, that's when I use and mix yung shimmer, etong dalawa. Etong, ay, joke, baliktad pala. Mama is the base. Call and Lindsay is the shimmer that I mixed. And then after that, I went with, the cheeks, and this is what I use. This is the shade Whoa. Yeah. And then I like how it's very blendable kasi
Of love, right? And super ganda po ng shade na to kay Ate Colette. And it's super bagay kasi mukha siyang matapang. Pero pag sinuot mo na, soft ng looks. Yes. Yeah. Am I right?
Okay, ayan. So, where is Colette dito? Cute naman. Thank you, love. Napaka-sweet mo naman, love. Wow! Eto na nga ating girls. Lumalabas na ang kakaulitan for tonight! Alam nyo, gustong-gusto ko kung paano kayo makulit. Super, super cute. Totoo
for
yan.
it,
Totoo yan. So, palakpakan naman natin right here si Mika. Thank you so much for sharing. Ang cute talaga ng ating girls for tonight, no? Bakit? Cotton ka ma? Yeah. Okay, yan. So, up next, go ahead, Mika. Act out a member and you have to guess it. Go. Eto na. Sino yan? Hinamon. Oh, sino kaya yan? Okay, it is Beanie Aya that they were acting out. Okay. So, hi.
Okay.
What's your favorite product and why?
my favorite is yung the lippy and with the shade Nini. Lip Pout, yes. Kasi I love the shade. I love that it's named Nini, my honey child baby cakes. Yes. And yeah, I love it kasi when I apply it and put it sa lips ko, it's very light lang. And it's like I'm not putting on something, which is good for me. Good for everyday din, makeup.
Exactly. So, Blooms, go ahead and add to cart and check out, okay? So, right now, Beanie Aya, go ahead, act out kung sino ang gusto mong i-act out among your Beanie girls.
Gwen!
Ano ulit yun? Ano ulit yun?
Babe kasi siya eh.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that is Beanie Who Gwen.
My favorite is Pout Pop din, Natasha shade. Kasi yung shade na yun yung gusto ko rin talaga. Tapos sakto doon napunta yung Tasha. And si Tasha is my cat. So, yeah.
Oh, I love that. Okay. So, Bloobs at your yellow basket, okay? And don't forget to check out and pre-order, guys. Pwede mag-pre-order, okay? Okay, eto na. Beanie Gwen, go ahead. Sino ang gusto mong i-act out?
Sino gagayahin ko? Ay, sige.
Wala ka yung...
Sino to?
Joanna.
Oh my God. Natawa naman ako doon. Paano yun? Wala siya dito. So, kunyari ako siya, ganon?
Sige.
Ay, hindi. Parang malayo. Who else would you want to, Sino pa? Sino pa ang gusto mong i-act out dyan?
Wala sa character ko. Wait lang.
Okay, balo-balo ka lang dyan. Pwede ka namang mamili. Medyo marami-rami naman sila dito.
Ikaw na. Hampas.
Yung tawa na nangahampas. Oh my God, Bini, Stacy, that's you?
Yeah, it's
Wow,
me.
palakpakan natin yan. Pareho tayo Stacy. Okay, so, eto na. What's your favorite product and why since hindi ka nakasagot kanina?
Ang favorite product ko is Cherry Blush in the shade A because I love the color. Medyo pinkish siya. Tapos bagay siya for my skin. And ayun lang, bagay siya for everyday din. Pwede rin siyang pang performance. Kung gusto mo lang makeup, ganon. Ayun.
Alright. Thank you so much right there. Okay, now, Stacy, last one na lang. Last one.
Last one? Okay.
Last one. May hindi pa natatawag sa inyo? Last one.
Ate Maloy.
Sino yun?
Si Ate Maloy.
Okay. Sino? Si?
Sheena.
So, sino ba? Si Bini Maloy or Sheena? Nalilito na ako, guys, Ano na kasi gabing-gabi na eh. Okay, Bini Maloy, ito na. Okay. So, before we hop on to our next segment, ito na lang. Ano sa tingin mo ang most likely magiging paborito ng Blooms sa lineup of your Bini cosmetic products?
I think the cherry blush, kasi multi-purpose siya. Pwede siya
Ay,
sa
ito yun.
eyes,
Yeah.
sa cheeks, and sa lips. Alam mo yun, on the go siya kung anong gusto. Kasi yung yung pout pop, it's plumping. So pag nilagay mo siya sa cheeks mo, baka mamagahing cheeks mo. Pero yung cherry blush kasi, kahit saan pwede. So, yeah, diba dito?
Tama.
So yeah, that's it.
Longevity
Yeah,
like what
para
it stated.
Very iridescent.
Okay, ayan. So, while you guys are watching the products, ayan na, so, Blooms! Eto na, nasa exciting... Okay, next. Nagaya ko dun, guys, So, up next, introducing ang ating Blooms, Giselle and Luis. Okay.
So, what's your favorite product first? Kindly explain it and why.
My favorite product and its shade is Irok because as you can tell, I've been mentioning it kanina pa. Very flattering siya on any shade of skin.
Agreed.
Like kahit maputi ka, kahit morena, kahit dark skin, kahit as in wala kang kulay sa skin mo, kayang-kaya niyang pagandahin. Yeah.
Okay, ayan. So, thank you so much, Mika. So, Blooms, check out nyo na at to court din ang Irok shade. Okay. As you can see, bagay siya sa all types of skin color, no? Okay, ayan. So, up next, go ahead, Mika. Act out a member and you have to guess it. Go. Eto na. Sino yan? Hinamon. Oh, sino kaya yan? Okay, it is Bini Aya that they were acting out. Okay, so, hi. What's your favorite product and why?
My favorite is the lippy and with the shade Nini. Lip Pout, yes. Kasi I love the shade. I love that it's named Nini, my honey child baby cakes. Yes. And yeah, I love it kasi when I apply it and put it sa lips ko, it's very light lang. And it's like I'm not putting on something, which is good for me. Good for everyday ano din, makeup.
Exactly. So, Blooms, go ahead.